Welcome to Latest Auto Pro, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive updates. Today we're diving into something truly exceptional, a truck that blends timeless design with modern engineering. Meet the all-new 25 Ford F2 Classic pickup truck. This beast is more than just a workhorse, it's a statement of power, durability, and classic American craftsmanship. One glance at the 2025 Ford F2 Classic and you know it's something special. The design pays tribute to Ford's vintage trucks while incorporating modern aesthetics. A bold chrome grille, signature LED headlights, and muscular fenders give it a commanding road presence. And if you love a truck with personality, Ford is offering exclusive retro color options inspired by classic pickups. Under the hood, the F2 Classic doesn't hold back. Ford offers multiple powertrain options, including a mighty 6.8 LV8 engine delivering exceptional power and torque. For those who want efficiency without sacrificing power, there's also a turbocharged hybrid variant that boosts fuel economy while maintaining impressive towing capabilities. And speaking of towing, this truck is built to haul with confidence. With air enforced chassis and advanced suspension, the F2C Classic can tow up to 4,000 pounds, making it perfect for work adventure and everything in between. Step inside and you'll find a perfect fusion of vintage charm and modern comfort. The 2025 F2C Classic features a premium leather-trimmed cabin, a massive 15-inch touchscreen with Ford's latest Sync 5 infotainment system, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android ID Auto Plus with advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control. And keeping assist and a 360-degree camera, you get the best of both worlds: classic style with modern convenience. Built for adventure, absolutely. The FX4 off-road package gives the F2 classical terrain tire skid plates, a locking rear differential, and enhanced suspension, making it ready for any terrain. Whether you're conquering rocky trails, muddy roads, or snowy landscapes, this truck is engineered to handle it all. So is the 2025 Ford F2C. Classic, the ultimate blend of nostalgia and innovation. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to latest Auto Pro Forum or exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching.